Please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified of new recipes. Hello and welcome to Shilpa's Cooking Diaries. I am Shilpa and today we are going to make mango shrikhand, also known as amrakhand, made with hung yogurt and flavored with the mango. This makes a delicious dessert for any party. So let's see how to make it. Here I have taken 1.5 liters of milk or 1.5 liter of milk. I have boiled it and I have cooled it slightly, but yet the milk is not completely cooled down. It is still warm. You can see the layer of cream on the top. If you don't like cream, you can take it out and you can keep it separately. I am going to mix it in as it gives a nice taste. Here I have 1/4 cup of little sour curd. I am adding all of it into the milk. Now mix it well so that curd mixes evenly everywhere in the milk. Now cover it with a perforated plate like this, or you can also cover it with a muslin cloth. Leave it aside for 12 hours or until the curd is fully set. Now you can see the curd is set and all ready. You can totally skip the step of making curd at home here. You can use ready-made store-bought curd. Use 1 liter of curd instead of homemade curd. Now I have a strainer here with big holes and I am keeping it on a bowl underneath. Now I am spreading a muslin cloth onto the bowl. Cleanly line it on the bowl. Now I am going to add all the curd into it. Now you can see I have taken out all the curd into the muslin cloth. Gently fold it and cover the curd with the cloth. You can keep it like this in the fridge for 7 to 8 hours to strain out all the moisture, or you can even hang it somewhere in the kitchen so that it all strains out the moisture. If you don't like little soreness to come, you can keep it in the fridge only, but otherwise you can also hang it out in the kitchen somewhere. Now you can see I have tied it tightly and I hanged it to my kitchen cabinet door. I like a little soreness, so I hanged it like this. Now you can see all the moisture from the curd is drained out well and I have got a nice thick hung curd here. I have taken the hung curd into a bowl and next I am going to add in half cup of powdered sugar here. I have taken half cup of sugar, but you can add accordingly to your personal taste and depending upon the sweetness of the mangoes. Add a little and then adjust the amount of the sugar. Now here I have 2 tablespoons of saffron milk. What I have done is I have taken 2 tablespoons of hot milk and I have added a big pinch of saffron and soaked it for 10 to 15 minutes. Add the saffron milk and whisk it with a whisk or electric beater for 5 to 10 minutes until it's creamy and smooth and until the sugar is dissolved completely. Here after 5 minutes you can see that the curd mixture is very smooth and creamy. There are no lumps and sugar is also completely dissolved. And here I have 1 cup of mango pulp. I have taken 2 medium sized ripe mangoes and I have blended them in a blender to get the pulp. Add the mango pulp and continue to whisk for few more minutes until the mango mixes evenly in the curd mixture. Now mango is also mixed evenly with the curd mixture. Now at the end, with the help of the spatula, scrape down the sides of the bowl and fold it gently for a couple of times. Next add in 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder and here I have 2 tablespoons of finely chopped almonds with me. You can use any dry fruit of your choice. Finely chop it and add it to the mixture, and you can also use some finely chopped mangoes at this time. Mix it well gently and now you can chill it for a couple of hours in the fridge and serve it. It will go very well with hot puris. Please do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out for you. Please do try the recipe and comment me below how it turns out for you. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel and like and share my videos as much as possible. I will be back here with yet another interesting recipe. Until then, take care and happy cooking.